Hey, it's Miss Alana working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, and I know you are too. We are working on bus driver math. This is day 4, question number 2. Let's begin by reading the question. Let's read it with me. If half, that's how we write half, 1/2 of the total number of students are girls, how many girls are there on the bus? So to solve this problem, we can use our cubes clues to help us out. Cubes clues, the cubes clues. First step is a C step. It says to do what? We need to circle the numbers. Find some numbers for me. Yes, fractions are numbers too. Bam, right there. 1/2. What other numbers do you see? Okay, that too. That's the number of the problem. We don't have to circle that. But I see a word. That's a number word. Do you know what word that is? Bam. Okay, not that word. Right here, half. Right there. That is a number word. Do you see any other numbers? Oh no, we're done with that step. The next step in our cubes clues is the U step. Underline the important words. So first we do is find the unit of that. Half of the total number of students, girls. How many? Okay, it's not right beside it, but we know half of the total number. What else do you see of students? What else is important? Girls, we need to know they're the girls. And our key phrase to help you figure it out. How many, oh, there's the other word, girls, are there on the bus? All right, I think we're good with that. Check that off. Moving on to the next step in our cubes clues is the B step. Read that B step. It says, box the question. Find the question, circle it or box it or highlight it. I am going to highlight that. Where's the question? Right there. How many girls are there on the bus? So that is what we need to figure out. We're done. That was an easy step. The next step is the B step. Oh no, we just did that B step. See, always got to check it off so you don't get confused. Next step is the E step. Eliminate unnecessary information. Remember, I tell you that sometimes problems try to trick you. Math problems try to trick you. Life problems try to trick you. But do you know that you are way smarter than any kind of problem that comes your way? Yup, you sure are. So check out this math problem and see. Are there any things that's trying to trick you? No, nothing is trying to trick me. Although, it does want us to think about something. We'll do that next. Because the next step in our cubes clues is to solve and check. So we need to think about, first, what kind of operation do we need to do? Not a doctor operation, a math operation. Do we add? Do we subtract? Do we multiply? Or do we divide? Let's think about it. Half. Imagine if I have 4, what is half of 4? 2. We split it. Look, if I have 4 right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, split it in half. What if I have number 10? 10, look, split it in half. Oh, look, bam, split it in half. What if I have 20? I don't have 20. I can use my feet and my hands and we can split it in half, and that would be 10 each. So what do we do? Are we adding? Subtracting? No. Multiplying? No. We're dividing because we need to split it apart. Bam, split it apart. All right, so we need to divide. What are we dividing? The total number. But, man, I can't see the total number here. But it was in the last problem. Go check out question number 1. We did the total, which is 96. Remember that in your mind. The total was 96 students. So we need to divide 96 by 2. All right, are you ready? Let's go. How many times can 2 go in 9? So if I have 9, let's keep count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Too much. Back it up. 4 times. And 4 times 2, we just counted that 2, 4, 6, 8. is 8. And how many is left over with that? 9 minus 8 is 1. And then now what do we do? Bring down the 6. Come on down, number 6. How many times does 2 go into 16? So let's count by 2s all the way to 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. How many times is that? 8 times. So write an 8. And we know 8 times 2 is 16. We are done because 16 minus 16, 0. Bam, done with that. Now, what? You want me to show you the other way, the quicker way? Let me show you that way again. We have 96 divided by 2. 2 goes into 9. We count by 2s again. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's 8 4 times. How many's left? There's 1 left. So that 1 goes with that 6, which makes that a 16 right there. And 2 goes into 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 8 times. Anything left over? Oh no, I'm done with that. So we are done, but we always have to check our answers with my handy dandy calculator on my phone. You can use your phone, you can use a calculator. A laptop might have, or a computer has calculators too. Your tablet, I'm sure, has a calculator. So use that. 96, bam, divided by 2, bam. This calculator better say 48. Yes, and it does. Yes, 48. Now, I know my answer's right, but I need one more thing with my answer. What is that? My unit. What is that? Look at the question. How many girls are there on the bus? There are 48 girls. That's right, 48 girls on the bus. Well, do you know how many boys there are on the bus? You don't have to work it out because we know when we divide it, those are equal groups. 48 girls, so that means there are 48 boys. And altogether there are 96 students on the bus. So we are done with question number 2. Don't forget to subscribe to Miss Lalana's YouTube channel so you can get more videos. Go tell a friend. Call your friend. Say, hey, you better subscribe to Miss Lalana's YouTube channel so you can get smarter like me. Woohoo! All right, see you next time.